Did Anunnaki use Mars as way station? Mars has never felt like a dead planet. Something about it pulls at human curiosity in a way that goes beyond scientific interest, as though we are not reaching toward something new, but being drawn back toward something ancient. What if that feeling is not ambition? What if it is memory? According to ancient astronaut theory, the Anunnaki did not travel directly from their homeworld, Nibiru, to Earth. Mars was their way station, a cosmic checkpoint between the outer solar system and Earth, used as a strategic outpost in their movements across the planets. Ancient Sumerian texts describe Earth as the seventh planet counted from the outer reaches inward. Mars stood directly before it, the final station before arrival. If these interpretations are correct, beings from another world were using the red planet as a base of operations long before the first human civilization drew its first mark into clay. Researcher Zecharia Sitchin connected the famous face on Mars, the kilometer-wide formation photographed by NASA in the Cydonia region, to something specific in ancient records: the burial site of Alalu, an Anunnaki leader who died on Mars before Earth operations began. In this interpretation, the face is not a geological accident, it is a monument, a marker carved at planetary scale above a tomb built for a being from another world. Whatever is beneath that surface has never been excavated. The question it raises has never been answered. Then, the chemistry of Mars began producing questions conventional science struggles to answer cleanly. Dr. John Brandenburg identified patterns in the Martian atmosphere resembling chemical signatures left behind by nuclear detonations on Earth, specifically unusual xenon isotope concentrations that natural geological processes do not easily account for. Mainstream science rejects his conclusions, but the question remains. If Mars was once more Earth-like, with liquid water, thick atmosphere, and conditions capable of supporting life, what ended all of it so completely and so fast? Planetary collapse happens gradually across billions of years. What happened to Mars appears to have been sudden. Ancient alien theorists point to surface formations that resist geological explanation, symmetrical structures, geometric arrangements. A keyhole-shaped formation, some researchers argue, could only have been constructed rather than eroded. If Mars hosted an Anunnaki installation of significant scale, what remains on its surface may not be random rock. They may be ruins, the shattered remnants of a base destroyed with a violence that permanently altered the planet's atmosphere. If that is what happened, Mars is not simply a destination for human exploration. It is a crime scene, a world that was inhabited, operational, and strategically vital to beings who then came to Earth and changed everything about what humanity became. Our obsession with reaching Mars may not be the ambition of a species looking forward. It may be the instinct of a species that has been there before and does not consciously remember it. We are not reaching toward a new frontier. We are being pulled back toward an ancient one. And whatever is buried beneath that red dust has been waiting for someone with the right technology to finally ask the right question. Not whether life once existed on Mars, but what destroyed it, and whether what destroyed it ever left.